Hi everyone, this is Coco. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the nervousness. Yes, I know, it's not an easy topic, but it's very common in our daily life. I believe that everyone knows what it feels like to be nervous, especially when we are having a meeting or presentation or even job interview. On the outside, people may think you look absolutely fine. But on the inside, only you know that. It's a totally different story. I bet you know what exactly I'm talking about now. Well, here's my trick. When I'm feeling nervous, I will normally tell myself, yeah, I feel nervous. I'm a little afraid, but I'm doing it anyway. So I found that when you label how you are feeling in you, it can indeed help you to reduce the feeling of tension. So next time when you're feeling nervous, why don't you try this? Probably it will help you as well. Alright, based on that, I'm very happy to share with you different ways of saying I am nervous. So the first one is tense. I feel tense, but I know what to do. Second one, uneasy. I'm uneasy in my mind about my future. The third, worried. I'm worried about my future, or I'm worried about her. Next one, freak out. I freaked out with bad news. On edge. I'm feeling on edge these days. Stressed out. I'm completely stressed out recently. So next, I'm going to share with you two idioms. Pins and needles. I'm on pins and needles waiting for the result. So the final one is butterflies in my tummy. I used to get butterflies in my tummy before school tests. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. And please share with me your ideas and comments. And I will see you next time.